Oh, you got that speaker set up here? I'm going to show everybody this. I got two of these speakers, so it fit on there pretty good, right? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
With the mount that's on there?
It was kind of a pain in the butt last night, but I would like it a little higher up, but as is, it's fine.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so me and Trevor got each one of these speakers. It's a one on for you. And they were like 20 bucks on Prime Day, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, you can just pop it off and it hangs or whatever. But it's nice. You can have some tunes while you're riding along. It's Bluetooth. Yeah. We're just doing a gas station run. Gonna pick up some hard iced teas and a vape. She's purring like a kitten. Yes, sir. You ready? All right. Oh yeah. My knee's feeling really good today. Over the last couple of days, it's been clicking and popping less and jamming up less. End of the month, I gotta go see the doctor, but still, it is getting better. I'm probably gonna still need surgery, but you know. Got a bunch of stuff to put on Trevor's Navi. I don't know if we're gonna do it today. It's kind of overcast. It could rain at any time. I'm kind of working on my friend's Game Boy, so we got that sitting out here. It's not really in bright sun, but you know. But anyway, so yeah, we got the bracket that I made for his LED light bar. That was pretty awesome. I painted that, bent it, painted it. And then we got all the other upgrades to do. I think he's off of work Tuesday. So we'll probably take care of it Tuesday. Somebody's got a boot just like me. Fucking hell, mate. Oh man, we've been watching the Boys. You guys haven't seen that. If you like, I don't know, I love Carl Urban. He played Dr. McCoy in the Kelvin Timeline Star Trek. Anyways, he's like a superhero hunter. Yeah, if you haven't seen The Boys, you should go watch it. We're on season 3 right now. It's pretty good, so you should go watch that if you like that kind of stuff. Pretty graphic. It's definitely not for the kiddies. Lots of sex, drugs, violence, you know, all that kind of stuff. But I won't even let my daughter watch it, and she's 12, so that's probably a good thing. But whoa, holy fuck. Oh, fuck. I keep missing the... That's the thing about this. There we go. So how loud is that thing? Is it loud enough to hear while you're going down the road?
Yeah.
Cool. I gotta put mine on yet, so I'll be right back. All right. You're looking pretty good. What's that?
This was weird. They went from like one crew looks like a completely look at the mouth.
I know. They changed everything. You ready? All right. You all set? rain anytime. That's why I don't really want to start in anything with the bikes today. The fuck is that about? Nice. Yes, I was saying that my knee feels pretty good. Just a quick run down here. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe Tuesday we'll work on the Navi. Other than that, not much going on. Some cleaning and maintenance on some of my protective measures, let's put it that way. That was pretty nice. Enjoy coming through here. I love it. I don't think the neighbors like it, but I can bite it. Oh, I care. Back there. So yeah, stay tuned for us to, you know, some of the upgrades we're gonna do. I actually saw a cool idea. I saw somebody, you know, disconnecting the kickstand switch on the Navi, and then I had an idea. What if we disconnect that and make it a secret kill switch? I'll hook some, I'll find some connectors or whatever, and then we'll go up in there and mount the switch in a secret place. It's kind of like, we used to do that kind of shit back in the days with our cars, you know, you put a switch somewhere, it's a secret kill switch, so people wouldn't steal your shit, you know, same kind of thing. But I thought, you know, it is annoying to have the kickstand switch, it's kind of dumb. I mean, I get why they do it, but anyways, the point is, why not turn it into something useful? Instead of just zip tying it up where it doesn't do anything, let's, you know, tap into the wires and find a, you know, connectors or something to get it done, and then we'll use it as a secret kill switch. Shh, don't tell anybody. But yeah, that way if someone were to try to steal a shit, they couldn't. So, alright guys, we'll see you on the next one, alright? Easy.